Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Honorable members, even today there are about 15 crore houses without piped water supply in rural areas of the country. Our sisters and daughters face the maximum hardship due to lack of water supply in the house. Further, contaminated water adversely impacts the health of the entire family. In order to ensure the availability of sufficient quantity of potable drinking water to each rural household in the country, my government has launched the Jal Jeevan Mission. Central government, all state governments, local bodies, and voluntary organizations are working together to transform this mission into a people's movement. In the coming days, rupees 3,60,000 crore will be spent on this scheme. My government has launched the Atal Bhujal Yojana, which special focus on 7 of the most vulnerable states of the country, where the groundwater level is depleting rapidly. Honorable members, my government's mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is meant for every citizen and for every region and every state of the country. My government believes that just as advancement of a person on the margins of society should be given high priority, the development of the areas left behind should also receive greater attention. By according 112 districts the status of aspirational districts, the government is paying special attention to each scheme relating to development of the poor living there. State governments have also pointed the right mix of experienced and youthful officers in these districts. As a result, there has been impressive improvement in several development indicators in these districts, and many districts have now come close to their stage average. I congratulate and convey my best wishes to the team of each aspirational district through this house. Honorable members, more than the physical distance of the northeast from Delhi, it was the emotional disconnect that disheartened the people of the region. My government has transformed this situation by working tirelessly during the last 5 years. Work is being done at an unprecedented pace in the northeast to enhance connectivity, strengthen infrastructure, and make people's lives easier. As a result of these efforts of the government, by 2022, the capitals of Sikkim, Mizoram, Manipur, and Nagaland will be connected to the rail network. The work on Agartala Akhaura rail link is also processing at a fast pace. In the year 2022, the construction of the new airport being built at Holongi in Arunachal Pradesh will also be completed. Besides this, construction of AIIMS in Guwahati, biorefinery in Numalingar, and Sports University in Manipur are also progressing at a fast pace. Recently, the government has sanctioned about rupees 9,000 crore for the Northeast Gas Grid project. This project will lay the foundation of a gas-based economy in all the 8 states of the Northeast. The central and Assam governments have recently signed a historic agreement with the Bodo organizations to bring an end to the 5-decade-old Bodo dispute. With this agreement, a complex problem that has claimed more than 400 lives has been resolved. After this agreement, the government will spend rupees 15,000 crore for the development of Bodo community. Similarly, another landmark agreement between Tripura, Mizoram, the central government and the Bru community has not only resolved a decades old problem but has also ensured a secure life for thousands of people belonging to the Bru community. Stop. Thank you.